Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's great to have you with us today. If you want to learn more about us and follow us, hit the subscribe button on the bottom of the page. We are today going to go through a how-to video. One of the things that we like to do as a family is we like to make our own stuff. We are a big DIY type family. We make our own laundry detergent, we make our own hand soap, and today I'm going to show you how I make my own beard oil. Now, for any guy that has facial hair, it's going to be incredibly important for you to have some sort of beard oil to help your skin, to help the itch, because a lot of guys aren't used to growing a beard or don't like it. The reason that they give for not wanting to grow a beard is because of the itch that you can get from it and how it can irritate your skin. And one good way to overcome that is by having a good beard oil that you can apply to your face every single day. So I make my own, and it's actually really simple to do. First thing you're gonna need is you're going to need a bottle that you're gonna be able to apply it with. So this is just a squeeze bottle that you have a dropper for. And this is something that you can get off of Amazon. We will post the link down below so that you guys know exactly where to get those. When it comes to the scents and fragrances, there are several different options. And one thing that's really nice about making your own is you can kind of find what you like for yourself. So today I'm going to mix up a cypress oil. I'm going to also do a pine scented oil, a frankincense oil as well. Now the cypress and pine, a lot of that is for the scent and they're for a calming kind of soothing feel. And this frankincense oil here is actually something that's really good for your skin. Guys, this is something that's really important for you as you have your beard. You want to keep it irritation free. This is a good way to do that. And that can come in handy when making your own beard oil is something like this. This is a tiny funnel. This actually came out of a roller bottle kit. There's some funnels that come in that kit as well, and we'll post the link for that in Amazon as well. So let's get started. I'm gonna hop off camera and you'll hear me over top just telling you what I'm doing, how many drops of the oils that I'm adding in there for you.
Like I said, there is not much that is needed in order to make a good beard oil. I put everything into a bottle dropper, and you use coconut oil as sort of like your base, or you could use something like an almond oil. And then I put in 4 to 5 drops of cypress oil, and then I put in 4 to 5 drops of pine oil, and then I put in 4 to 5 drops of frankincense oil. And you can also use a miniature funnel. That way it is easier for you to put everything into your little bottle. So let's watch as I mix together some of my beard oil. Enjoy.
So, like I said, there's really nothing to it. It's something that's really super simple to do. You can make it in under 5 minutes. Like I said before, it's really essential as a guy for you to have some sort of beard oil that you can apply to your skin. This is something that it's best to do it daily, or I would even say if you experience some itch maybe during the day, this is something that would be good to apply then as well. So simply all you need to do is, you get your dropper bottle and you can just put a couple of drops in there in your hand. It's probably the best bet for you. All right. I put like 4 or 5 drops in there because it's been a couple of days since I've applied anything. So all you have to do, massage it into your hands. All right, and then massage it into your beard. I'm gonna get some on my mustache as well. You just want to kind of brush it in. All right, and this is a nice, good smelling oil, as well as it's gonna make my skin feel all nice. So thanks for watching along with us. Like I said, we like to do a lot of how-to type videos, so if you're interested in that kind of thing, give us a follow, subscribe to us, learn to do some other cool stuff that we do for our family as well. All right, goodbye.